Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shadis and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay you guys, so I am making my DIY abstract painting. I already had the canvas and I have a few canvases around here that already have art on it. So here lately, I've been wanting to change up my style, so I just, use what I have at home. I went ahead and added some spackle to it. The spackle that I use, it comes on pink, and so when it's dry, it turns white. So obviously, y'all, it still has to dry. And once it's fully dry, I'm gonna spray paint it, the whole thing black. So I already did this one. I have a bit on that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So now I'm about to show y'all the spackle that I use. So this is the spackle that I use. And I also use this to apply the spackle to the canvas. So now I'm just wiping the canvas off, make sure ain't no dust or nothing sticky up there. And now I'll just be adding the spackle. It's no specific way of how I'm laying it. I'm just doing it up, down, side to side, just all different angles. And I just want to let y'all know, you can use whatever type of canvas you want. I just want to utilize what I already have. And this was a big size canvas and I wasn't using this canvas anymore. And I just wanted to have a nice big one. And mind y'all, for a canvas abstract painting this size, like at Target or wherever else, those paintings will be very high. And I just decided to utilize what I have and make my own painting. This is the finished result of the spackle. Now we have to wait for it to dry. So once it's dry, it's going to turn white. Okay, so this painting is already dry. I'm about to take it outside and spray paint. Then I'm going to spray paint this one white. And this one is dry too. I'm going to spray paint this one black. So these are the two spray paints that I will be using. For the big one, I'll be using the linen white, and for the smaller one, I'll be using the ultra matte. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. I wasn't able to film me spray painting this because my tripod had broke, but I had to go out and get another can of spray paint, and I did like 4.5 coats of the white spray paint. And I just want to let y'all know you can do this on a regular canvas. I just wanted to utilize what I already had. So my daughter ended up coming home from school and I got her to record me to do this part. And this was exactly how I did the white one. Okay, so this is how the black one turned out. I think I like the white one better because I didn't just go in a straight line. I went like straight up and down and just different ways, but it's okay. It still look okay. Okay, so yesterday I did mention that I really didn't like how this one turned out. And I think I kind of like it a little bit more. But I guess it'll grow on me. It's not too bad. But the other one does look better. That spot right there, I'm gonna just have to paint that little spot there. Other than that, I like it. Okay, so this is the finished product of my canvas. Y'all, I am loving it. It turned out just like how I wanted it to turn out. And it's, you know, very textured. So give me a little nice texture shot. I love how it turned out.